26-inch pythons come raining down on you, brother, what are you gonna do?
Whoa, take it easy there.
No, you just stand there and run your mouth. I'll do everything.
Well, you just got done telling me I should run the camera. No, you don't want me to run the camera.
Get in my way! I got it!
What do you... Ryan, what's up, my brother?
What's up, General Nation?
What do we got going on today?
A whole lot of nothing.
Really?
Yeah, it's Chris's fault.
It looked like a whole lot of something. I mean, we were kind of working away here on this firewall. Why are we doing that?
Well, because someone wants it to be pretty.
Somebody wants...
So to do that...
That would be me.
I've tried to express to him the amount of effort that's going to go into doing that. And for some reason, my concerns have gone unwarranted and unheeded.
Well, I mean, sometimes, once in a while, we have to listen to me.
A bad time to start.
Yeah. This is not the time to start. So, but no, what we want to do is we want to actually clean up this firewall, guys. We want to paint it, get it pretty. Again, the whole point is to try to make this truck look new as possible with all new components and everything. So to do that, we've already got a whole new set of this, but we got to get it off so we can paint the firewall. To get all this off, we got to take the dashboard out so that we can get access to all the components that are behind this.
Okay.
So we're gonna go about taking the dashboard out next. As you see, we're trying to just clean this area up.
Yeah.
So that we have a better working environment.
Yeah. Well, we also have a donor truck. So we have a 1996 donor truck.
We do.
And honestly, a lot of these components from that truck, because it only has 86,000 miles.
90.
90?
95.
All right. Well, it looks way better than this.
Yes.
So the plan is take this stuff off, and then when we reassemble, we'll reassemble with those parts.
Newer components.
All right. Well, let's rip the interior apart.
Let's do it.
Get to work.
Let's do it.
Get to work.
Go Team Jammer.
All right, Ryan, we are, I guess we've successfully taken the interior part of this baby, right?
Yeah, she's pretty much ripped apart.
Special thanks to Chris for helping us out with that.
Yes. And then we found out what Chris did to us.
He injected a bunch of rust.
Yes.
Thank you, Chris. Appreciate
Thank you,
that. So what happened? What's going on here, buddy?
Also, you can see this is a door seal trim right here. As you can see, it's pretty rusted out.
Yeah.
As you guys know, rust is a cancer. If you follow it, you can keep seeing it comes all the way back to here. And then if you look up in here, we got ourselves a little gerbil tunnel.
We got a little hole.
Right, so that's got there. And then if you go to the back side of the cab, you can see right here, it's rusted out. So we're thinking we're gonna be cutting all this out.
Okay.
Luckily, we have a whole nother cab, so we can scab the components that we need out of that cab into this cab, but we're gonna be cutting all that out. Spot welding a new one.
And when you say we, you actually mean you. So what are we gonna do to finish this
today the hope will be we're gonna paint the firewall, do the exhaust header bolt. That's we need to extract it.
We're gonna attempt it. We had a header bolt that
didn't want to cooperate.
Wouldn't come out last week in last week's episode, so we're gonna try to remove that today.
Get the new header bolts all back in. Get the headers all completely bolted in with new exhaust manifolds. Paint the firewall. I think that's it.
And then call it a day.
I think that's it.
All right, and have lunch.
I gotta eat. Fat kids gotta eat. We have a exhaust manifold stud that we cannot get extracted. So we went to the store and we bought this handy dandy extractor. And what it does is as you tighten it onto the stud, the teeth grab hold of the stud, and then as you back it out, there it goes. It grabs it and then it starts allowing you to take it out. So
That's awesome.
the good news is
The good news is it works. The bad news is that wasn't the one that was stuck.
yeah, keep telling yourself that.
It was
No, it was
this one.
No, it wasn't.
It was that one.
No, it wasn't. As you tighten it, am I tightening it or loosening it? There you go.
Oh, yeah.
As you see, it tightens down on the piece and grabs it into those little teeth, grabs the holts of it.
Yeah.
But that's a $16 tool.
Oh, no, it's actually $14.95
Something.
with our discount.
No, we got a problem, dude.
All right, guys, as you see, we're going to leave this episode in a big old cliffhanger.
Like Sylvester Stallone, kind of.
That's true. That was one of his
Yeah, it
movies.
was one of his greatest ever, guys. Check it out.
So you'll have to watch the next episode to find out what the problem is and what actually happened.
Yeah, but we do want to reach out to you guys. I know if you guys go to our channel, you can see our live videos. You'll see that earlier on in the week, we did a YouTube live video showing our new shop.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff that needs to get done at the new shop, and so we do have a plan for that. What's our plan, Jason?
Well, we thought it would be fun if we invited you guys to come help. So if you want to come help us on the 31st of July,
August 31st.
to Saturday, what we
Wait.
need you to do.
Stop. I said August. It's actually July 31st. I messed up. You were right. You was right.
July 31st.
Yeah, July 31st.
All right, so now it's clear. Everybody knows.
July
It's
31st.
literally like a week from now.
A week from today.
So if you can come and you want to come hang out with us for like a half a day, maybe a little bit longer,
Or 46 hours.
whatever, and help us to fix up our shop. We got a bunch of shrubs to get rid of.
We got a jammer cooney.
We got to get rid of the raccoon out of the ceiling.
Yeah, got to clean all the urine and fecal matter out.
So you're not really selling it very well, right?
Oh, it's gonna be great.
Anyway, we want to get it all cleaned up so we can move over there in the next couple weeks because
And
we
Jason's
have a
gonna
lot
provide
of things
food.
happening. Yeah, so we're gonna buy you food. We'll figure something out. Maybe we'll do some wings or maybe we'll barbecue.
Whatever.
But we would love to just hang out with you guys. So if you could go to our website, jmrrebuilders.com, as soon as you can come and let us know that you are going to be hanging out with us for the day, and then we'll send you all the details.
And yeah, so it's going to be fun, guys. We're kind of excited about it. The shop is a great opportunity, a great blessing from a fellow YouTube subscriber. Can't wait to break it all down and tear it all up and make it better. Put our jammer stamp on it. You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be awesome. So one last thing before we say goodbye, I want to say special thanks to our friend Chris, who came and helped us out in this episode. And
he traveled a long way. Chris is actually from the great state of
Tennessee.
Heck yeah, volunteers, buddy.
Now we love our Tennessee folks.
Hey, Manny, I'm looking at you. And we got something coming too. Very special. And on that note, we'll see you next time. Generation!